Hello friends, today our topic is muscle pull. Muscle pull means a stretching or tearing of muscle or a tissue connecting muscle to bone. Introductions means the action of introducing something or a formal presentation or establishment is known as introduction. Muscle pull or cramp is very common complaint in cricketer and in athletes. Means a stretching or tearing of muscle or a tissue connecting muscle to bone, or cramp means a painful involuntary contractions of muscle or muscles typically caused by fatigue or strain. Actual usual occurred in cricketer means a person who plays cricket, and in athletes means a person who is proficient take part in competitive track and field events. Muscle pull is occurring unexpectedly, an involuntary shrinking of one or many muscles, and may be either constantly present or tending to restore bodily tone. Means muscle pull happen suddenly and happen against the will of the individual. Muscle becomes smaller in size, and sometimes it happen regularly or frequently. Put back forcefully make it sound. Signs and symptoms. Signs means indication or signals, and along with symptoms, expressions or sign. Few signs and symptoms of muscle pull are as listed below. Few means small number. Signs means indications, and along with symptoms, expressions of a relationship between a part and a whole is called of. Muscle pull means a stretching or tearing of muscle or a tissue connecting muscle to bone, or as listed means marked, and below means as under. Painful involuntary contractions of muscles, usually in the legs, means the muscle pull commonly happen in the legs of the players, and the players feels trouble to move the muscles with own will and suffering with dull pain. Swimmers and cricketer more than other causes leg cramp. Means swimmers a person who swims, and cricketers means a person who plays cricket suffer leg cramp in great amount than other players. Muscle pull is also caused abnormalities of the nervous systems, means due to muscle pull irregularity of the network of nerve cells and fibers which transmits nerve impulses between parts of the body. Rehabilitations means the action of restoring someone to health or normal life through training and therapy after imprisonment, addiction, or illness. Rehabilitation of muscles pull or as listed below. Rehabilitations means the action of restoring someone to health or normal life through training and therapy after imprisonment, addiction, or illness of. A relationship between a part and a whole is called of. Muscle pull or as listed below means marked as under. Proper conditionings before start of any game or performing skills means actual the process of training a person to behave in certain way, or to accept certain circumstances before hand the beginning of game, or carry out the ability to do something well. Warming up exercise should be performing before participation in any games and sports. Means warming up is a preparation for physical exertions or a performance by exercising or practicing gently beforehand taking part in any games and sports. Using suitable equipment in games and sports means utilize appropriate apparatus in games and sports. Thanks and have a nice day.